I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was
Seniors now, and we're gonna go to school and party all day and all night.
Hey, you know what? I heard that Ninja Bonnie was coming out today.
What time?
1 o'clock.
It's after lunch. Let's get to go see it.
Okay, cool. Let's go there.
Hi, Ashley. Hi, Patty.
Did you just go for first day of school?
I know, and now that we're seniors, you have to promise to work for cheerleading captain and newspaper.
Cheerleading captain and
We're seniors. Why not rule the school?
You're right. I'm just glad you don't also run for state captain either.
You're kidding. I know that's your thing.
You're right. I'm just glad we're getting that together.
And we're gonna have so much fun this year.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to what we're sure will be our greatest year right now. Today, after school, the Glee Club will be hosting tryouts, and so will the football team. Make sure to get out and try out. And now for the really good news. Back by popular demand is the school fall dance. To join the decoration cutting team, see the student council office at lunch.
Finally, it's lunchtime.
I'm so hungry.
Hey, girl. Then we gotta go to the movie. We have to go see it.
Oh, no, I can't.
Why not?
I'm going to try for cheerleading.
I can't even say that with a straight face. Hey guys,
Hey, Reggie.
go sit down. This here is Sandy Olsen. That's
Isn't that
Marty,
awesome?
and that's Rizzo. Sandy just moved here from Sydney, Australia.
How things going down under?
Oh, fine. Hey Marty, are those your glasses?
Yeah, it's down the school. Don't you think it make me look much more cooler?
Nah, you can still see your face.
Hey Sandy, how do you like school so far? It's different. Hi kids!
Oh.
Hi. I just love the first day of school, don't you?
It's the biggest deal of my life.
You'll never guess what's happened.
Probably not.
They just announced the nominees for student council, and guess who's up for president?
Who?
Me! And that's the most exciting thing that ever happened to a girl.
Well, we certainly wish you the best of luck, don't we girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you must think my temper coming out introducing myself to your friend. Hi, I'm Patty Signal. Welcome to Regular. Well, I hope you'll be a student child. That have so much fun with you lifelong friends.
Ooh, cheerleading sounds like fun. I've always wanted to go to my own school, but I was always too shy.
No reason to be shy. My best friend Ashley is a shooter for captain.
Hey you guys, what do you think of Sandy? Isn't it better than red ladies?
She looks too pure to be red.
Oh, double doodoo.
What's up?
I never my glasses.
Hey Sandy, the girls and I are gonna go see the new James Bond movie. You wanna come? Now, what about school?
It never did anything on the first day anyway.
What about cheerleading class, Sandy?
Oh, girls, I'd rather not ditch. Besides, me and Patty are gonna try out for cheerleading. That's cool, Sandy. We need to see the movie another time, okay? Thanks, Frenchie.
Where's she going? Stop seeing the movie.
Her and I are gonna see it another time. Girls, I really think we should give Sandy a chance. She can be a part of the group.
Yeah, maybe she did you perfect Patty.
Friend, don't sweat. Sweat. You're losing your friend. If you do, so what? You got us.
Okay, ladies. I'm not gonna show you it again. I really want to come to all members. Now, as we pack up the course, things get boring for me. Anyways, back to business. Lines. 5, 6, 7, 8. To the split, give them a yell, give them a cheer for our idea. Way to go, keep it right, go right out, fight, fight, fight. Good job, ladies.
valedictorian. I just gotta do a D. No. I see. Hey, Sandy, do you think those redheads are good to influence? Skip class all the time. Half of them are failing.
Patty, what mean things to say about my friends?
Then I'm just trying to look out for you.
Hey, Sandy, all done here. The girls and I are going to sleep over at my house. You want to come? I'd love to, but...
It's a school night, so I know you would say that because you're failing.
Don't start! Hey, it's not that. It's two, because two of the jobs aren't done yet.
Yeah.
Come on. Basketball team gym. So finish tomorrow. Oh. Sandy, see you tomorrow, Patty. Hey, Patty. See you tomorrow.
That was hilarious. Where'd you see that from?
It's on TV. It's the new iPad toothpaste commercial.
And you memorized it?
Not on purpose. I've just seen it so many times.
The guys have gotten to this. Hey guys, come watch this. Do it again. Watch this. Come on, Frenchie.
Okay, pretend I'm a beaver. Brusha, get the new iPad with the blended flavor. It's dandy for your teeth. Brusha, new iPad toothpaste. Brusha. Next out, decay germs fast to alright.
What was that?
Look at the beaver.
You're such a nerd. Anyways, how about we get this party going?
Woo!
Is that the new Alberry Coke?
They only have it in the U.S.
Yeah, I know. Sandy didn't get any.
Oh,
What? You don't drink soda?
Oh, my parents don't like to eat sweets in the house.
Oh, live a little.
Mom, you don't got me.
Hey, Sandy, do you want me to pierce your ears for you? Isn't that awfully dangerous? Oh, no, I know what I'm doing. I'm going to be a beautician, you know? Hey, Marty, can I borrow your pen?
Sure, Frenchie. You can use mine.
Perfect. Frenchie, my father won't like it. I promise him you won't feel a thing. Ow! Sandy, how about we go to the bathroom? My mother will kill me if I get blood all over the What? Frenchie, I don't feel very well.
Oh, don't worry about it, Sandy. If she screws up, she can always fix your ears so your hair don't. No, she can always fix your hair so your ears don't show.
Up! Beauty is pain. Someone get me some ice in her earlobe.
Why don't you take the cold water and stick your ear in the faucet?
Oh my gosh.
Miss Green teaches that light enough when I hang up with us.
Hey you guys, Sandy's sick. I did one ear, she fell blood and look.
Well, you ain't getting handle my ears.
Oh yeah, well you're gonna be sorry, because I'm accepted to Lucky Fairy Beauty School.
What? You mean drop out of Rydell?
I don't look at it as dropping out, I look at it as a very strategic career move.
Yeah, maybe that's what I should do.
What, you going to a can school early?
Yeah, but what if I don't get in?
You'll be a great beginner.
If any of the guys take me seriously, none of the guys in mechanic class ever take me seriously. Everyone's being partner because they say that girls shouldn't be mechanics.
She'll be alright.
Easy for you to say, beauty is a girl thing. You have no problem being in beauty school.
So what if it's all girls in my tinting class? Beauty is still very competitive. Sandy, here's your toothbrush. Thanks, Frenchie. Sorry to be so much trouble. No problem.
Getting two shoes in there makes me want to bark.
I'm Sandra Dee with personality. Won't be there for the Bible I've read. I can't 'cause I'm Sandra Dee. Watch it. Hey, I'm Dorothy. I was not brought up that way. Across the rock, cut the cross, his hand to Doris Day. I don't drink or swear. I don't wear my hair. I get ill from one cigarette. I only hold hands. Don't you understand? Would you put on stuff for the next? As for you, turn on and you. I know where you
Hey, Sandy, are you feeling any better? A little.
Well, we're gonna watch Casablanca. Have you seen it?
I can't watch that movie. Why not? It's the last movie I watched with Stan, my boyfriend back home.
What? You didn't tell us you had a boyfriend.
I don't. Well, not anymore. We decided to break up because I'm moving out here. I asked him if we were trying to get from college, and he said no.
So, is he your boyfriend or not?
Not yes.
So, what you do? Wait on him?
Sandy, you can't wait on a guy.
I know.
It's okay, Sandy. We can watch another movie.
No, it's okay. You guys go ahead. I'm gonna get some fresh air.
All right.
She's still mad.
No, she got a boyfriend.
Oh, so not such a goody two shoes after all.
It's complicated.
She'll tell you later. What? But bring here all those makeup shows you make us watch. Come on.
Hey girls, you know what that song is? Yeah, I'll believe.
Come on, go to the floor.
What did it cost? 75 cents?
Real funny, Riz. Come on. Once you beat this part, it could be great.
But did you see that then?
Just gotta band it out.
Will it even start?
Barely. You have to put the engine.
Ah! Build up.
You gotta replace those too.
Hey, Marty, gun slash tape? Where are we gonna get all those reports? On her budget, she's gonna borrow.
Hey, what do you drive, huh?
I tried.
Yeah, how about you?
Well,
That's what I thought. But this car could be a amazing piece of machinery. We can go anywhere at any time. Because when this car is automatic. This car is automatic.
Again.
Automatic, systematic, hydromatic, and a full wheel bar.
keep talking, oh, keep talking.